children. How are you today? Oh, I can see a lot of students with a broad smile. Oh, all my children are really very happy today. Oh, someone is asking me a question. What is a question? Oh, you want a surprise? Okay, so I have planned for a surprise even today. Do you want to see what the surprise is? But to see what the surprise is, you have to close your eyes and count up to 5. Okay? You have to close your eyes. Come on, close your eyes and count up to 5. Now you can open your eyes. What can you see? I can see a branch and a bird sitting on the branch. What else can you see? I can also see a girl. But I can see the girl is a little worried. Is she sad? So let's ask. But before we ask something, we need to know their names, isn't it? So let us ask what her name is. What is your name, my dear? Oh, her name is Adila. And what is the name of the bird? The name of the bird is Kittu. Very nice. Now the girl is a little worried. So let us see what the girl says. What is Adila saying? Hi Kittu, I have a question. Will you help me find a solution? Oh, that means Adila is confused. She has a question in her mind. Isn't it? When you have something to ask, you are disturbed, isn't it? You have to ask that, you have to clarify it. So now let's see what Kittu is answering. Now Kittu says, tell me, Adila, what happened? Now let's see what happens. Oh, Adila says, I do not know what is face value and place value in mathematics. Oh, now we understood why Adila is confused. She doesn't know what face value is. She doesn't know what place value is. That is the reason why she is so worried. Now she is asking, what should I do? Oh, Kittu says, do not worry. I will help you understand what is the difference between place value and face value. Now, are you ready to listen to Kittu? Are you all ready? Come on, I can see someone not listening properly. So, can we listen to Kittu quietly and understand what is place value and what is face value? Okay. Now, Kitu is taking an example for it. Now, let's see what the example is. Oh, it's a number 36. It is a number 36. Now, how do you think the number 36 is formed? How many tens are there? We have 3 tens. And how many ones are there? We have 6 ones. So let us see using blocks how many tens and how many ones are there. So since we have 3 in the tens place, we will have 3 tens block. And how many ones block will be there? Come on, tell me. 6. Very good. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones block. Isn't it? Now let us see. When we say 3 is in tens place, what is the value of 3? We have 1 10, 2 10 and 3 tens. So can we count in tens? So can you all take 3 fingers in your hands? 10, 20, 30. So what is the value of 3 tens? It is 30. And what is the value of 6 ones? It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is 6 itself because 6 is in the ones place. Now, can you see the that the number 3 is underlined? So we have to find out the place value of 3. So place value of 3 is in 36 is 30. And why is it 30? Because we have 3 tens. Didn't we count it now? We counted 3 tens, isn't it? 10, 20, 30. Okay, so that is why if 4 is there in tens place, what will be the value of place value of 4? It will be 10, 20, 30, 40. Very good. Now let's see what is the face value. Now before we discuss anything about face value, do you all see mirrors? Yes. So what can you see if you are seeing if you are in front of the mirror, what can you see? You can see your face. Will you be able to see your father's face? No. So the same way, the face value of any digit will be the same. Face value of any digit is the same. It can be in the tens place, it can be in the ones place. But the face value will be the number itself. So the face value of 3 in 36 is 3. Now let us try to find out what is the place value of 6. Okay. So what is the place value of 6? See, we have underlined 6 in this case. So how is the number formed? Since we have 3 tens, we will have 3 tens block and we will have 6 ones block. Now what is the place value of 6? 6, what is the value? Only 6. 6 blocks are there. So the place value of 6 in the number 36 is 6. Okay. Now what is the face value? The face value also is the same because face value means the number itself. Whether it is in the ones place or whether it is in the tens place. Did you understand? Okay, now Kittu, see how Kittu has explained beautifully, isn't it? Adila would be very clear now what has to be done. Oh, what is this now? Count the number of ones and tens in the number. How many tens and ones are there? Let us see. How many tens are there? There is only one ten. And how many ones are there? We will let us count together. One, two, three, four, five, six, 7, 8, 9. So 9 ones. So we will write 9 in the ones place and 1 in the tens place because we have only one ten. So what is the number? The number is 1, 10 and 9 ones. And how will we write in numerical form? Standard form, we will write it as 1, 9, 19. Now, what is the place value of 9 in 19? What is the place value? 9 is in which place? 9 is in ones place. So, what will be the value? What is the place value? Come on, tell me. Correct. Oh, everyone answered me. The answer is 9. Very good. Now, let's see another puzzle, okay? Oh, what is this? Now here the number is not given. What to be done? Here the number is not given. So let's find out the number. Which one is correct in this? Let us count the number of tens. How many tens are there? One, two, three, four tens. And how many ones are there? One, two, three, four, 5. So what is the number which is formed? So there are 4 tens. So let us say what the value is. 1, 10, 20, 30, 40. So after 40, we will count the ones 41, 42, 43, 44 and 45. So what is the number? The answer is 45. And what is the place value of 4 in 45? It is 40. How many tens are there? For 4 tens. So what will be the value? 10, 20, 30, 40. So if there are 4 tens, the value will be 40. And what is the face value of 4? The face value will never change. It will be the number itself. So we need to find out the face value of 4. So it is 4. Very nice. Do you want another example? Okay. Oh, now let's see what Adila is asking. Okay. Now Kittu is asking Adila, did you understand? Is it clear, Adila? So Adila says, yes, Kittu, it's clear. And she is thanking Kittu. So if someone is helping you, do you say thank you to them? Yes? Very good. So whenever someone is helping you, you should say thank you to them. Okay. Now, did you all understand what is face value and place value? Did you understand? Okay, very good. I think you all have understood how to find out the place value and how to find out the place value. Did you understand how to find out place value? Okay. Now, do you know how to find out face value? Very good. Now, in case you have understood, what are you supposed to do? Now, see what Adila says to Kittu and what is Kittu saying? Oh, Kittu is asking Adila to do question number 4, 5 and 6 from page number 14. If you all have understood, then will you all do these question numbers? Question number 4, 5 and 6 from page number 14. So will you all do? Yes? If you all do, I'll come with another surprise in the next class. So let's see what Adila says. Will she do it? Are you going to do? Yes. So will Adila do it? Let's see what she says. Sure, Kittu, I will do it. So, yes, Adila is definitely going to do. So, I know all my children will do these questions, isn't it? Okay, fine. So, let us finish this class today and we will meet in the next class. Before we wind up, we will once again understand what is place value and what is face value. Face value is the same as the number. So if we have to find out the face value of 4 in 43, it will be say equal to 4. But since 4 is in the tens place, the place value of 4 will be 40. Okay, so thank you so much. See you in the next class. Bye, students. Bye, children. Take care and stay safe.